Popcorn is easily my favorite snack. Hello, I am Katie from the cravtyblogStalker.com, and if you want more recipe tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I am sharing the best kettle corn recipe, and it is perfect timing because today's video is sponsored by West Bend. I am using the Stir Crazy popcorn machine. If you don't have one, you need one. This is how I store my Stir Crazy. The machine fits right into the bowl. I can pull those apart, set my bowl to the side. I don't need it yet. On the front is an on and off button. It is off now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Before I make this sticky with sugar and oil, I just wanna show you how easy this is to clean. This top piece twists off and you have this metal rod, so you can take this apart to get all of these pieces nice and clean. You do not want to immerse this machine in water. Once you're done using it, you'll want to just wash out the top, and the bowl is top rack dishwasher safe. The inside of this machine does have a non-stick surface, so that makes it easier to clean as well. I'm gonna start with the machine off and add a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of oil. And before I turn the machine on, I want to mix these. I'm just using a plastic spoon. You could also use a spatula. Now I can turn on the machine. I add a half a cup of popcorn kernels and place the lid on top. I'll take the lid off for now just so you can see a little bit better. But once it starts popping, hot sugar comes shooting out these top holes. So I'm gonna put the cover back on. If you were making buttered popcorn, you could put butter up here. As it melted, it would drip down onto the popcorn below. But for kettle corn, all of our ingredients are already inside the bowl. It's starting to pop, so I'm gonna put the lid on it. I want to let it continue to pop until there are 3 seconds between the last few pops. That's how I know it will be done. There were 3 seconds between the last pops. I turned it off. I'm gonna turn it over, give it a couple shakes, and then lift the machine off of the bowl. Ooh, look at how yummy that looks. Add salt to taste. I don't want to eat this yet because that sugar is still super, super hot. So I'm gonna let it cool for just a couple of minutes until I try it. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, so good. Oh, a little bite. So yummy. Now, if you want to, you can leave it in this bowl. And normally when making regular popcorn, I do. But when making kettle corn, I like to move it to a different bowl just because this one is a little sticky. Got another popcorn bowl here. Dump that in. Then I will put this bowl to soak in some hot water. What is your favorite popcorn snack? Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you over at my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Bye everyone, and happy popping!